welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to start a new chapter of chemistry, acids, bases and salts. So let's move ahead. So acids, what are acids? Acids taste sour. They are sour. So acid react with bases and form salts. So salts are formed with the reaction of acid and base. That is the neutralization reaction that we have studied before only. So acid word is derived from the Latin word acer, which means sour. So this acid word is derived from the word acer, which is a Latin word and which means sour, and acids are also sour. So let's move ahead. Classification and basis of source. So acid are divided into two parts on the basis of source. One is mineral acid and one is organic acids. Acids obtained from mineral of earth are called mineral acids. That is very simple. And organic acids are the acids which occur naturally and are found in plants and animals. So these organic acids are found in plants and animals. So they are naturally occurring acids. So classification and basis of strength. How is the strength of acid? Like this also the classification occurs. So this classification is weak acid and strong acid. Weak acid cannot burn us because they are weak, but strong acids can burn us. So this is classification on basis of strength. So let's move ahead. Organic acids are citric acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid, formic acid, carbonic acid and amino acid. Citric acid is the acid which is present in citrus fruits like lemon, and lactic acid is the acid which is curd. Okay, so curd and milk contains the lactic acid, and lactic acid is important for us because milk and curd are also important for our health. And here oxalic acid is in green leaves like spinach, which is very important for our health. And formic acid here is present in the ants, bees, which harm our body when it stings, right? And here tartaric acid is in tamarind, and this carbonic acid is in the Coca-Cola which we drink. Okay, this Coke. Okay, and this pulses contain amino acid. Actually pulses contains proteins, but when the proteins are break down in the process of digestion, then it is the amino acid only. And acetic acid is very important because it is used in industrial use, which is very important for ourselves only, right? So let's move ahead. Mineral acids are many acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid here and nitric acid also. HCl here is hydrochloric acid, and here the H2SO4 is this sulfuric acid. Okay, and this nitric acid here is this one acid, and this H3PO4. So let's move ahead. Now dilute acid and concentrated acid. This is classification based on quantity of water which is in acid. Okay, so dilute acid here is that concentration of water is more. So water is more in dilute acid, but in concentrated acid the water is less. So this is difference between dilute acid and concentrated acid. So there is a big difference because diluted acid has more water, but on the other hand concentrated acid has less water. So let's move ahead. Now bases, we have studied what are acids. Now we are going to study what are bases. Bases taste bitter and have a soapy feel. Now, how do we get to know that bases have a soapy feel? Have we tasted them? Yes, we have tasted them. We have tasted weak bases, not strong bases, okay? So, bases react with acids and form salt. So, same here also. Bases, when are reacted with acids, then they make salt, which is this neutralization reaction, okay? Now, alkalis, bases that are soluble in water are called alkalis, okay? For example, sodium hydroxide and aluminium, okay? Aluminium hydroxide. So these are the examples of alkalis. So this was alkalis was the last topic of our video.